I'm gonna go around the store and act like I don't know what I want just yet, even though I already Googled the price plus tax. I already calculated what it costs. Hey everybody, it's Sierra Janelle and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a luxury unboxing of the Gucci belt. It is the color black in the bronze detailing. So if you are wondering if you should spend the money on the belt, I am going to give you all of the specs when it comes to sizing, detailing, as well as some styling options. So let's hop right into the video. Alrighty, so disclaimer, I did get this belt as a Valentine's Day gift. So I did not have any say in anything, but my boyfriend did a really good job when it comes to the sizing and the detailing. It's very much me, and I'm glad he didn't go with anything like, you know, drastic or anything, because I'm super plain, I'm super simple. So this belt fits to the T, but I am going to go over the detailing with you. So I don't have any background knowledge of why I chose this specific belt, but he did really good. Very proud. I was thankful for this gift. So let's hop right into the specs and the packaging. So first I am going to just give you an idea of how the packaging comes. This is the bag that it came in. This is different. I've never seen this bag. Again, I have a purse from Gucci, but that was so long ago. But I don't know if this is new packaging or what it is. So this is the packaging or the bag that it came in. And then this is the box that it came in as well. Again, this is different from other packages I've seen. Again, I watch YouTube videos on this, and this box is a little different. So it might be like the newer version of the box. Not exactly sure. And then you open it up, and then this is a dust bag that it comes in. So cute, so cute, so cute. I love it. And then this is the belt. This is it, and I love it. And again, it does come like the double G's here. It does come in different detailing, but I like the brass tone. I don't like the super gold shiny belt. It looks a little cheap, a little tacky to me, even though it does have the same price point. I like this brass color just because it's kind of, it tones it down a little bit. A couple of bags that I have also has the brass detailing instead of like the gold, super shiny gold detailing. I love this. So again, this is what it looks like. This is a size 85, and normally before quarantine, and then that's another thing that I guess he took in consideration, because I did gain a little weight over over quarantine, like a lot of different people did, but it fits perfectly. So normally I wear a size, I would say, to be on the safe side, I wear a size 6. Normally, you know, when it comes to jeans, I can do a 3 or 4. But again, I did gain like 10-15 pounds. So now, to be comfortable, I wear a size 6. Okay. My waist is a size 27, 28. And my hips is about 35, 36 around my waist. So those are my measurements. And again, this is a size 85. Also, another thing about the belt, I feel as though when you wrap it around your waist, you want to make sure that it does fit. So I know a lot of, and it will differ between if you wear it high waist versus actually on your waist. All of my jeans are high waisted, so I will probably always wear it high waisted. But when it comes to actually putting it on, you want to make sure that this part isn't hanging out. So you do want to make sure that you go into the store, even if you do buy it online for whatever reason, make sure you go into the store to make sure that it fits, because one thing that you don't want is this little flap hanging around. And once I'll show you the different style ideas, you would know exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to how this literally fits perfect. You have a little bit of this tail sticking out, so when I put it on, it can kind of lay like that instead of having it, you know, too big, and now you have this little flap hanging out. You know, I don't like that. So take that in consideration when you are choosing your size as well. I feel like when you're spending a certain amount of money, you want to make sure that it is the right thing and it fits you the right way. Again, that's just my 2 cents. But now I'm going to show you the style recommendations and how it actually fits around my waist. Okay, so I just put the belt on. Again, these jeans are from American Eagle, and these are size 6 jeans. Again, I could probably wear a 4, but why stress it? Because I know I gained weight, and I wore a 4 before I gained weight. So I know I wear a 6. It's just more comfortable to wear a 6. I'm gonna just put it here, and then this is the 3rd notch. I'm gonna put it on. Very comfortable. Still, again, have a little room here. I don't know if you can see where it's not like super on me, but this is what the 3rd one looks like. And then this is what I meant, where you don't want like this long flap hanging. See how this perfectly like comes right here, and this is what it looks like. Again, I highly recommend that if you want the perfect fit to go into store. I know when I spend a certain amount of money on luxury items, I want to go into the store. I want to get the whole experience. I want you to ask me, oh, are you looking? Are you shopping? And I know exactly what I want in my mind, but I'm going to go around the store and act like I don't know what I want just yet, even though I already Googled the price plus tax. I already calculated what it costs. But speaking of costs, this on the website, it has $460 because this isn't the large strap. This is just the regular strap. But online, it says for the regular strap, it is $460. But I have a receipt here, and it was $470. And then tax was $28.20. I live in Michigan, so sales tax is 6%. And then the total was $498.20. So about $500 is what you're going to spend on the belt, including tax. That is the review for the Gucci leather belt. hopefully the details that I just described helped you out and kind of made up your mind whether or not you want to purchase this belt. I would highly recommend it. I would give it a 10 out of 10. It definitely is a statement piece. I definitely would put basic outfits when it comes to it, just so the center of attention can be the belt. I told my boyfriend, like, now I need a bag to match my belt, so when I step out, you know, I'm a little matching, right? So again, I would definitely recommend this belt. Even in 2021, it's still a staple piece. It's one of those pieces that you can spruce up your outfit. Like I said, you can have a $20 Fashion Nova jeans on, $20 Fashion Nova top, put the Gucci belt around it, and now it is a fashion outfit. So if you end up purchasing, please let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And that is all for today, you guys. I have more luxury items on the way, so stay tuned for those videos as well. See you later.